So I grew up in Samoa. I still remember a cyclone coming through our village. We basically had to run for shelter. And they completely destroyed everything. I remember just standing there with my dad and my parents just kind of going, how are we going to rebuild? You know, like there's absolutely everything was destroyed. We had to remember that God was our shelter, although we had lost everything, and we got through that, you know, like we made it through like a physical storm back in the village. When we had to translate this song, I remember the lyrics, you know, when the oceans roar, and we had to translate that in Samoan. It was such an unreal experience, and it was like, it helped us be reminded of God's faithfulness and God's in control, even though we physically lost everything, but spiritually we hadn't. So when we finished translating the song, we sang it over and over again. If we continue to fix our eyes on God and remind ourselves who God is, He's our safe place, He's our refuge. We can run to Him to hide, and He will shelter us, and that He'll never leave us nor forsake us, no matter what we face.